ओके हाय गाइस। तो जैसे कि आपने ऑलरेडी देख लिया होगा कि आज हम जा रहे हैं दरोजी स्लॉथ बेस सेंचुरी को। तो हमारे जो मतलब स्कूल बस अभी आने वाली है तो मैं उसी ओर पे जा रहा हूँ। सो एवरीवन इज़ कमिंग, तो चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस, दे गोना सी द स्लॉथ बेस सेंचुरी। तो उसके बारे में काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डालने वाला हूँ अबाउट व्हाट दिस प्लेस इज़ ऑल अबाउट। तो चलिए देखते हैं, बस वाले आने वाले हैं। सो आई एम जस्ट कम फ्रॉम माई होम, अभी यहाँ से आगे स्टॉप पे वो आने वाले हैं। तो लेट्स सी व्हेन दे विल कम। सो यू कैन सी द बस हैज़ अराइव्ड। Say hi! You can see these people there also. Okay, so we have started our journey. So we can see everyone is sitting over here. Yeah. So we are just heading towards the Doroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary now. First, before that, we'll be going to the Nature Interpretation Center where our DFO Devraj sir is waiting for us. So where we'll be all heading and we'll be seeing about what's the importance and more information about the Doroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary. Then from there we'll be heading towards the watchtower in the Sloth Bear Sanctuary, where we'll be seeing all those sloth bears. You can see the expressions, all overacting queens and all this. Okay. Yeah. So we'll be seeing for that, and we'll see you at the Nature Interpretation Center. Bye bye. So we have come down to the Interpretation Center. You can see everyone has got down, and we have formed the line, and we'll be heading to a place where they'll be showing us information about all those things. So you can see everyone is excited, big strength of the children. You can see. Okay, so now we have come to the Nature Interpretation Center. So basically this is nothing but a museum. So yeah, so we have to remove the shoes over here. So you can see it's Doroji Bear Sanctuary Nature Interpretation Center. Okay, they're having the lunch. Let's not disturb them. Okay. So remove the shoes there. Can't you hear that? Stop this.
Remove the shoes.
Okay. So this is the nature gallery what they have created. It's so beautiful. Okay, see, they have shown the jungle bush quail, the grey pangolin. Okay. This is the road. Okay. This is all. Okay, Dr. Arun SK. So these are the photographs done by the Dr. Arun SK. The grey wolf. Okay. Okay, the civet cat, pangolins, fox, bat, mongoose, and the main, the sloth bear. The jackals, the golden bat jackals are there. The Indian roller. This is the state bird. Indian roller. Okay. Stone cruel. Okay. So this is the sloth basin. Wow. So this looks so realistic, you can see. Hey! So they have built in so beautiful manner, I can tell you. Okay. The sloth bears, you can see the claws, how big they are, okay, how it has been built. Very beautiful. Real scale, yeah. So there is a tiger, what they have made in this museum. Yeah, you can come from there. You can come from there. Come from there. Wow, you can see. It's scary. Nice one. Good. So here we have about the claws. Okay. So they have shown about the sloth bear claws, okay, front and the back. Then they have told about the tigers, okay, then about the wild boars, okay, and the wild dogs. What you can see? Yeah? Yeah, these are the real prints, what they have collected. So this is male and this is about the female lion, okay, lioness. And this is about the jackals. Okay, and these are some of the common snakes in Dharoji. What you can see, this is a sand boa snake. Okay, red sand boa snake. This is a spectacled cobra. This is the Russell's viper. Then green vine snake, rock python, common krait, and the rat snake. What you can find in this. So you can see beautiful pictures of different Pampaya Malamas. Painted sand dunes is there. Okay, other things are there. Obviously, a Hampi, yeah.
My father drew this and he took photo also.
Yeah. Okay, red scarf owl is there. Yellow throated bulbul.
All I can think of is a nap. That is if these monkeys stop peeping you.
Okay, so we just saw a different type of this and the video about and different pictures of that, and now everyone is like having the lunch. Okay, you can see ma'am, she's eating. Okay, ma'am has got this much of snacks full. Okay, Shashikala ma'am will start eating.
No borders. Special ma'am doing special.
So everyone is eating. So this is a place nice, beautiful, what is being maintained by the government of Karnataka, the forest department. So children can come, sit, eat. You can see everyone is eating there. Yeah. So you can see कितना भाई पैर है. Arjun, movement. Yeah, Baburao. Okay, so we have entered the sloth bear sanctuary area and we are heading to the watchtower. So हम लोग बस से जा रहे हैं. If not, other people come usually by the jeep safari, so which will cost around some 2,000 rupees per, sorry 3,000 rupees for 8 people. और हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे, देखते हैं क्या क्या मिलेगा. हम लोग बस में ही अभी. So it's too dusty because of no rain, and you can see the types of forests are all completely. Okay, there we get a turn. Yeah. Now we'll see after reaching there. Okay, so we have got down. Okay, so there is a place where we'll be climbing up. So from there we'll be seeing the point, and he is the sir person. Sir, your name, sir? Shrikant. So he is the one who will be taking us up and just helping out with us. Yeah. So these our children are already there, and people who want to come by private thing apart from the school one will be coming with their vehicles. Okay, this is the government one, so what they have it. Okay, so these are the vehicles for the private, okay, for the safari, what you can say actually. And this is the route from which we'll be going ahead. So this is the route how we'll be just going up, and they have said that they have spotted a cub of a sloth bear, and there you can see everyone is coming back there, and हम जा रहे हैं ऊपर में. तो अब देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा, बिकॉज दिस चिल्ड्रन आर मेकिंग हेल ऑफ नॉइस. ओके, तो उसके वजह से इट माइट बी डिस्टर्ब्ड और व्हाट आई डोंट नो. सो लेट्स सी अगर वहाँ पे कुछ मिलता है. सो अगेन फर्दर दैट वे विल बी गोइंग हेड. सो दिस इज द टेरेन व्हाट यू कैन एक्चुअली सी. एक्चुअली इसमें दिख रहा है कि नहीं पता नहीं, बट दिस इज हाउ इट ऑल लुक्स लाइक. विल बी गोइंग फर्दर to see the watchtower. Yeah, एक मैंने रील भी काफ़ी समय पहले अपलोड की थी जिसमें मैंने उसमें दिखाया था अबाउट दिस, तो देख सकते हो वहाँ पे उसमें विल बी देयर इज अ वॉच टावर बिहाइंड दिस। वी गो अहेड। ऊपर पहुँचते पहुँचते हालत तो थोड़ी ख़राब हो जाती है, बट उतना नहीं है, छोटा ही है। यू कैन क्लाइंब अप एंड यू कैन सी दिस पॉइंट, काफ़ी अच्छा है एंड दे मेंटेन इट क्वाइट वेल एंड दे आर ऑल कमिंग देयर। ओके, तो रास्ता थोड़ा खराब तो है। देयर इज अ स्लॉट, देयर इज अ टावर, इफ़ यू सी ओवर देयर टावर, हम वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, तो जहाँ पे वहाँ पे विल बी able to see it. So you can, okay, so we have come to the sloth bear, that watchtower point. So people, okay, do not feed animals and everything they have just told about. Okay, so the hill what is there in front of you is called as Karadi Gudda. Okay, so watch out your steps. Okay, so there on the Karadi Gudda they usually apply the good or nothing but the jaggery or bella, what we say in Kannada, so that to eat that they usually come out. So that point is the one, what is there. So this complete area is the region or the terrain for the sloth bear.
Sir, where is
Okay.
the slot
So everyone is here, they all are watching the. So there on that hill that they said that they have spotted 4 sloth bears. Okay, so which are there. So let's all watching over there. Yeah.
Sir, show me, sir. What is this? Sir.
Okay guys, so that's what was all about our trip. So the sloth bear sanctuary, so the Asia's first sloth bear sanctuary, what it is about. तो हम लोग ने देखा, बच्चों ने काफ़ी हल्ला किया, so we could be able to only spot some around some 4 sloth bears. Yeah, 4. That was a good number we can say to see with this kind of crowd and noise. So after they go like तब तो काफ़ी शांति हुई थी, उसके बाद में हम लोग ने आराम से देखा, तो एवरीवन हैज़ गॉन। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस अपने अपने घर। ओके, तो देख सकते हैं ये है, इनके साथ मेरी सेल्फी है और यहीं से हम अपना आज का व्लॉग ख़त्म करते हैं। तो देखते हैं नेक्स्ट हमारे साथ में क्या क्या होगा। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को, दैट्स इज़ अ डीओलो राइडर, और देखते हैं आगे क्या क्या होता है। सो ये है जम्बू, ओके, ऑल्सो नोन एज स्लॉथ बेयर। बाय बाय।